So historically, Cumberland Nature Reserve was used for farming, dairy farming, vegetables, beef and pigs, right up until the 1960s. And then the sand mining started, which caused huge damage to the land. And the sand mining went on until 1982, when Mr. Beer, who is Stella Ben's father, he bought the land, and that was to stop the sand mining. He wanted to rehabilitate the land. So that was in 1982, and then he sold the land to his daughter, Stella Ben. And then, by 97, John and Stella Ben started to create Cumberland Nature Reserve. Interesting background. I'd say the diversity. When you look at Cumberland Nature Reserve, you'd never think that it had such a damaging past. It's been rehabilitated beautifully. We've got such a diverse range of fauna and flora, and of course the birding. It's a special place, and it's incredibly scenic. It's that type of reserve where you'll arrive and you feel like you are a million miles away. So we've got rustic accommodation and affordable. We are a bird-friendly establishment. So we've got the Horseshoe Cottage down by the river that sleeps 5. We've got the Krantz Hut up at the top that sleeps 2. It's got 1 double bed. And then we've got some self-catering rooms up at the top here. They're the only ones with electricity. Everything else does no electricity. So we've got the self-catering rooms, we've got the zebra cottage, and then we've got 2 campsites. We've got our main campsite, and we've recently just finished our brand new campsite up at the top.
So we've got such a fantastic diversity of habitats here. Everything from dam and wetland to woodland, grassland, and in the well-wooded gorges. So with that diversity of habitats, we obviously get quite a good diversity of bird species. We've got a lot of species that we often see that are out of range. We've got an incredible bird list of over 280 species. So that is a real draw card for our guests. We've got some really nice specials here. We've got the red-chested flufftail, we've got the palm-nut vulture, which is seen very regularly. We've got crowned eagles, we've got African rail, we've got merino trogons, white-starred robin, blue-mantled crested flycatchers, African finfoot as well, which is quite regularly seen. So I think it's just the incredible diversity of the species here is what's a real draw card for birders. Right, so it's very difficult to bird Cumberland in a day. So a 2-night stay really gives you an opportunity to fully experience the birding of the reserve and cover all the different habitats. Off of our Facebook page and our website, guests can download a little PDF that I put together. It's a Birder's Guide to Cumberland, which gives a lot of nice pointers on where to look for certain species. We've got bird lists available, and guests are also more than welcome to contact us prior to their visit if they're birders, and we can put together a little itinerary for them with suggestions on where to go at what times, and So we do have guides available. We've actually got David Nightjar coming up soon. He's got an event, and we'll obviously be running more and more. We've only recently started introducing guided walks, so we'll obviously with time build up more of a database of guides that are available. And then we've got John Roth from Strong Heart Retreats, and he does hold guided walks as well, general interest walks as well as more specialized walks.
So we've recently scheduled quite a few specialised guided walks. It's limited space. We prefer to keep the groups a bit smaller so that it's a lot more, interaction with John Roth. From trees to the ecosystems to spiders to creepy crawlies. We've got a list coming up, and those can be accessed on our events tab on our website or Facebook. We do post those. Yeah, and then we'll be posting more events coming up and guided walks. Even Gareth and myself will be doing beginners birding walks along the reserve, and yeah, so we're still sort of finding ways and avenues to bring the day visitors in, but yeah.
So there's over 50 species of butterfly that have been recorded on the reserve. We've got over 400 species of wildflower. There's over 200 different species of trees, and then we've got over 30 different species of mammal, including the endangered oribi. So birders can follow us on Facebook. We've also got a Cumberland sightings group where our guests post their sightings from their visits. Guests can contact us via email or through our website. And we've also got a lot of interesting information like the species lists and Birders Guide to Cumberland, which is available for download on our website.